Hey there, this is Michelle of Secondary Supplements. Today we're going to go over some basics of flattening. The tool we're using is PowerPoint. We're going to learn why it's necessary to flatten, what flattening is and is not, and two examples of flattening. One will be using a PDF-only product, and the other will be an editable product. The main reason to flatten is because the terms of use for the clip art you bought probably says so. It's a rule that helps protect the clip art from being easily used by someone who did not purchase that clip art. A flattened product does not have clip art that can be individually clicked on. In this case, the owl and the jack-o'-lantern have been saved as one image, which creates a flattened product. A product that is not flattened has clip art that can be individually clicked on. It's also important to note that saving a file as simply a PDF is not the correct way to flatten. The flattening process will take place at the end of our product creation. It's the last step before saving as a PDF. Our goal here is to save the clip art as a PNG, which will flatten the clip art. When working with clip art, you'll want to choose saving as a PNG over saving as a JPEG. Notice the difference in image quality between these two identical images. If it's not necessary, don't include text or other elements in your PNG. It can become blurry. So what we need to do to properly flatten just the clip art and not the entire page is to access the selection pane, which is located in the Format tab. But as you can see, it's not currently visible. It likes to hide sometimes. So just click on your clip art and it will pop up. I also just double click on it to get to the selection pane, and we're going to select Hide All. Then we want to select just the clip art to show back up again. And then we're going to save this as a PNG. So from the drop-down menu, select PNG. And this window will pop up. Select just this one. And go back to your selection pane. Select Show All. Deselect those individual pieces of clip art, but make sure you do not delete them. And we're going to insert the PNG that we just saved. And right-click on it. Send to back. Now this would be ready to be saved as a PDF. If you want to make this an editable product, the process will be only slightly different. What we'll do is take it a step further and save this as a separate file for the customer that has the individual files deleted from the selection pane. To do that, click on the individual clip art and press delete. So now we're left with just this flattened PNG image. So now go to File, Save, and you're going to save it as a customer copy. And that wraps things up. If you have any further questions, send them to secondarysupplements@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.